Have you ever wondered why so many relationships crumble, even among people who truly care about each other? The Stoics believe the answer lies not in passion or words, but in understanding. Empathy, not the sentimental kind, but the rational empathy that sees the world through another's eyes without losing your own clarity. Marcus Aurelius wrote in Meditations that to understand the mind of another, we must first examine our own. This is where Stoic empathy begins, not with emotion, but with perception. When we recognize our own impulses, anger, pride, fear, we begin to understand those same emotions in others. Empathy for the Stoic is a form of wisdom. Epictetus taught that no one acts wrongly on purpose. People err because they misjudge what is good or bad. When someone you love speaks harshly or withdraws, a Stoic doesn't rush to offense. Instead, they pause and ask, what pain might be behind this reaction? That pause, that space between stimulus and response, is where empathy lives. Seneca reminded us in his letters to Lucilius that we are waves of the same sea. From this view, empathy isn't weakness, it's recognition of shared humanity. It allows us to listen deeply, to observe without judgment, and to act with justice rather than impulse. In modern relationships, Stoic empathy means practicing active listening, hearing your partner not to reply, but to understand. It's about replacing blame with curiosity. What need is this person trying to express? It's about bringing logic and compassion together, refusing to let emotion cloud respect. Imagine a disagreement. Instead of reacting defensively, you take a breath. You apply the Stoic principle of the dichotomy of control. You cannot control your partner's tone, but you can control your interpretation. You choose to respond with calm inquiry rather than escalation. Over time, this cultivates trust, the rarest form of peace between two people. True Stoic empathy isn't cold detachment, it's warmth guided by reason. It sees pain and offers understanding, not indulgence. It stands firm in virtue while embracing compassion. So when the next conflict arises, remember, empathy is not surrender, it's strength with clarity. The Stoics didn't just teach us how to endure life, they taught us how to love wisely. If this resonated with you, consider subscribing for more Stoic wisdom.